Hey everyone, welcome to the course, and thank you for enrolling. So for anyone thinking of skipping this first section, just make sure you watch the very last video. I understand if you've taken another course, if you have read a book, you've done some React, and you don't need to understand the basics at this point. Just make sure you watch that last video and you download the included download. It includes all of the code, the slides, the solutions, the starter files, the handouts for the entire course. And along with that, I would watch the video, not just click the link, because there are specific instructions on how to run the slides and the handouts. They are not static PDFs. They're actual websites that you can open up and interact with. So make sure you watch that video. It's really important stuff. I've been getting a lot of questions about this from people who are skipping the first section. So I decided to redo this section and add in a little note up front. Anyway, on with the section. So what are we talking about? Well, we have a couple goals in this first section. We're going to talk about what React is, the history, the goals. Is it a framework? Is it a library? A pretty common debate around React. We're going to get into components, the most important, basically the only building block in React. We'll talk about function components versus class components. We'll play with a real component that I've written for you. You'll be able to tweak some values and see what happens. And then you'll write your own first component, both as a class and as a function. So that's where we're going. And then after we set the stage in this intro section, we'll dive into JSX and props and state and create React app. And eventually we'll get to things like hooks and context and reducers. There's a lot to talk about. So let's get started.